Hi, in this video we will see the extended project of radio transmission. So I would like to say that if you have not checked my previous video, please go and check that, because all of this project is based on the previous project. So like the previous project, I have connected this transmitter to this Arduino, and it has external power supply from 9-volt battery. Similarly, I have this Arduino connected to receiver. In addition to that, instead of LED, we are going to use a relay. I have 2-channel relay, so I am going to use that. You can use 1-channel relay as well, because I am just controlling one bulb here through this relay. So you might be thinking why there is less light in my room. It's because of that LED, that light bulb. So basically what we are going to do, as earlier discussed, I have an additional wire here, which if I connect to this point, pin number 5, let's see, if I connect to this pin number 5, this bulb will get illuminate. So this tick sound is from the relay. If I connect it and leave it, it will get illuminated. So this is a very high range transmission. So if I collect this everything, if I carry it anywhere, I can even control this through 800 meter distance. So let's see. If I sit here and I have bulb there, and I am going to wirelessly control that. So if I see, when I connect this to the 5th pin of this will get illuminate. So it's an interesting project, but I request you to not underestimate the AC supply, because it is very hazardous. Please be careful while doing this experiment. So a relay can be understood from any video. I will give the description to that video in my description, so you can learn first relay, then you can learn my earlier video on radio transmission, and you can combine this to get this home automation type of thing. So let it be. So now my room is illuminated. So some of the changes in the program, basically there are no change in program, so I am going to share the same program, while the circuit diagram I am going to share it in the description. So I request you to see the circuit diagram. This is my transmitter, and this is my 9-volt battery. I have connected it externally. So even if I go to 800 meter, I can control this. I have tried moving from a room in the apartment corridor. It can even control from there. So have a nice day. If you have any doubt, please put it in the link comment section. So thank you.